What's up guys, Dave here with Deranged Off-Road. Doing a video in the house because, let me show you. The weather's just terrible outside. Oh man. Really I want to go for a dirt bike ride, but I don't know if that's going to happen today. So anyways, I'm going to do a quick and dirty video on this Tusk UTV tool roll. Rocky Mountain ATV sent this out to us to check it out and to show you guys. So let's open it up. Honestly, it's been sitting in my basement for a number of weeks, and I'm just now having some time to get it opened. All right. Tusk UTV tool roll with belt removal tool, Kawasaki KRX. Looks like it'll cost you $249 if you want to buy this. Is that the belt removal tool? Oh, are you kidding me? Are you saying I have to put this thing in the tool roll itself? T-handle with some sockets, okay. Cool. All right, let me open this up and I'll show you. Okay, here's the bag. It actually feels very heavy duty. It's got some cool little metal buckles here. They're not like cheap, snappy buckle type deals or anything. And, you know, one-handed here works great. So unroll this. It's got everything in the box there that's got to go in here, but it's all labeled, all that. Anyways, you get the idea. Some zippered pockets here for things. Let me get into this box, see what we got in there. All right, so here's what you get for 250 bucks. Get your heavy duty bag, a belt tool, get a set of wrenches here, 8 through 19 metrics, zoomed way in there, ball peen hammer, 2 screwdrivers, crescent wrench, some needle nose pliers, a set of metric Allen wrenches, 1.5 through 10, some Torx, T10 through T50 vice grips, valve stem removal tool, has a magnet on the back, vice grips, extensions, 3/8 ratchet, that's 1/4 inch, 3/8, another extension, a 1/2 inch breaker bar, good selection of sockets. I haven't been through it to see if it skips. I'm sure it does skip some sizes, but you got 8mm clear up through 19, and then it gives you it's a 5/8 and a 13/16, like spark plug tools or something. And then some smaller stuff here for the 1/4 inch, probably 8, 9, I haven't looked at it, 17, 19, a couple impact sockets. You know, pretty good selection of tools here that I think you'd definitely be happy if you had them and you had an issue with your machine on the trail, or you needed, you know, to work on your truck or something. You just never know. And it works out pretty good. Let's put it in that tool roll and see what she looks like. All right, guys, got everything in here. This is pretty slick. I really like this. You have a 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 10, and 8mm wrenches. It's a pretty good selection. Everything has its place. The only thing that I didn't see is the 3/8 extension. There's a place here, half inch drive extension, but there's not an individual spot for the 3/8, but you know, who cares? You can put it in there, or you can put it in here, whatever. There's a couple extra long spots here if you wanted a couple long extensions or something. There's space in these places here that you could put some more stuff if you feel like you're missing some sockets or whatever, you could add them in there. Okay, so you get an 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. No skips all the way up to a 19 millimeter. Those are all 3/8. Then you have a 17 and 19 millimeter there. These are these big ones. 30 millimeter. 27 millimeter. And then you have some 1/4 inch stuff here. A little extension, a couple Torx. That's a T40, a T30. You have an 8, 9, 10, and a 13. So I would say that's a pretty good selection there of tools for this thing. What do you guys think? Is this something you'd want to carry in your side-by-side, in your tote, instead of trying to gather all kinds of different random tools that you might have? Let me roll this up. Let's see what it looks like and what it weighs. Everybody wants to know what things weigh, right? So anyways, I think that's pretty sick. All right. This thing weighs 17.5 pounds. Not that bad. Obviously, I can't vouch for the quality of the tools. They're no Snap-on tools, right? Obviously not. They're going to be Chinese tools, right? I'm assuming coming from Tusk, China, which is fine. Whatever. I don't care. I'm not going to get into that. All I know is I would be happy to have them if I were broken down on the side of the trail and it had what I needed in there. Let me get some dimensions on how big this thing is. We're 18 inches long by 10 inches by 4. It's really, jeez. It's pretty low profile, I'd say. Heavy duty canvas bag. It's kind of rubberized right here for whatever reason. Good metal spring jaw type clamps. They work well. Hopefully they don't break or anything. They don't feel cheap. They feel okay. And a carry handle. What do you guys think? That's something you'd rock in your side-by-side? In your truck even? I mean, it could be just a decent truck toolkit. So let me know in the comments down below if you have one. If you want one, click the link if you want to check it out on Rocky Mountain's website. All right, guys, there you have it. Cool little tool bag from Tusk. Let us know what you think, if it's something you'd rock. I know we haven't been real super consistent on videos for the last several months. Honestly, I think we just kind of got a little burned out. We're busy, jobs, life, family, that kind of thing. And we just haven't really had a whole lot of time to go out and ride and do things like that. So anyways, I just wanted to throw this out here and see what you guys thought about it. Let us know down in the comments. As always, thanks for watching and following and just hanging with us for the last 4 or 5 years. It's been great. Thanks, guys.